Ngayon na. Dito sa baby. Draw a circle on the blank if the picture shows one hole. Okay? Circle daw pag yung picture is one hole. This one, wait lang. Draw a triangle if the picture shows one half. So, if the picture is one half, triangle, you draw triangle. Okay? So, number 1 is, why circle?
Because
It is
it is
one hole.
one hole.
Yung number 2.
It's triangle.
Oh, very good. Very good. How about number 3?
It's circle.
Yes, good job. Very good. Number 4.
Triangle.
Galing na. Ang galing naman na. How about number 5?
Circle.
Very good. How about number 6? Bakit yung circle mo parang oblong? Number 6.
Circle.
May babas na yan, oh. Triangle. Good job. How about number 7?
It's half.
Oh, very good. Ayusin mo ang triangle mo kasi parang A na siya.
Hindi, sa baba yun.
Okay. How about number 8?
It's circle.
Yes, good job. Number 9.
Circle.
Very good. Number 10.
Circle?
Tingnan mo.
No, this.
Triangle. Good job. Sabihin mo kay teacher, I'm done, teacher.
I'm done, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.